Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter or you click on Duolingo. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Duolingo. If you'll find here uninstall, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.